How to use party feature on Roblox. Step-by-step guide 2025. First, open up the Roblox app. Launch Roblox on your desktop, iOS, or Android device. Navigate to the party tab. Look for a new party tab in the app's main menu. Create a new party. Click plus button to start a new party. Add friends to your party. Invite up to 5 friends to join your party. Maximum of 6 members total. Then you'll want to start the party. Click the create icon in the top right corner to officially begin your party. Choose an experience. Select a game or experience you want to play with your party. Then join the experience together so the app will automatically place all party members in the same server. Use party chat for users 13 plus and communicate with your party members using text chat. Then the voice chat is planned for future updates, and then move between experiences. When changing games, your entire party will move together seamlessly. Then you can also manage party settings, so access party settings to adjust privacy options or leave the party, and also enjoy special party features. Some games may offer unique customizations for party members like team assignments or special items. Remember, party chat is monitored for safety compliance with Roblox's community standards. Users under 13 have a limited party functionality, and parents can adjust settings through the parental controls. Subscribe.